Welcome to the November online edition of NightWatch. My name is Bill and I'm coming to you from the Pseudocom Planetarium here at Adventure Science Center. And we're going to start off with the moon phases for the month of November. The moon will be at last quarter on November 7th, new moon on the 14th, followed by first quarter on the 21st, and full moon for this month on the 29th. Evening sky watchers, looking between sunset and about 2 hours after sunset toward the southwestern part of the sky, can still catch a glimpse of the planets Jupiter and Saturn. In fact, they are going to be with us through the end of the year, and as viewed from Earth, these two planets appear to be getting closer and closer together. That will culminate in a spectacular conjunction next month. Also in the evening sky, rising up high in the east, we do continue to have the bright glow of the planet Mars. But since we've now passed by Mars in our orbit, as we go around the Sun faster, Mars will slowly be getting dimmer in our evening sky, so watch for that over the coming weeks. Also rising up at about 9 p.m. in the eastern part of the sky, we have the winter constellation of Taurus the Bull, and a little bit to the north we have the constellation Auriga, the charioteer, marked by the bright star Capella. Looking toward the constellation Taurus, you may notice a very small group of stars very close together. Many people mistakenly call this little group of stars the Little Dipper because of their shape. But this is actually the Pleiades star cluster. And as we take a closer look, the Pleiades star cluster in the sky usually is represented by about 5, maybe 6 stars that you can see with your eyes. But with binoculars or a telescope, you can literally see hundreds of stars in this little spot in the sky. Now, as we move toward the morning sky before sunrise, we continue to have the dominating planet Venus as an extremely bright white star-like object just south of the eastern part of the sky. But by mid-month, you may also catch a glimpse of the planet Mercury. The planets Venus and Mercury reside in the constellation Virgo, as we see here, and also to their right you may catch a glimpse of the blue-white star Spica, the brightest star in the constellation Virgo. So early risers catch a glimpse of Venus and possibly even the first planet from the Sun, Mercury, at about 5 a.m. local time. Also mid-month, you may want to wake up early in the morning, especially if you live far, far away from the city lights, because we have the annual Leonid Meteor Shower occurring, peaking on the morning of the 17th. While this is not one of the best meteor showers of the year, it does happen every year. And so you might catch a glimpse of maybe up to about 20 meteors per hour if you are in a dark sky location far away from city lights. If you're in a light polluted area near the city, you may only see 5 to 10 meteors per hour. So again, not one of the best of the year, but still, don't be surprised if you're up early in the morning around the 17th, you might catch a glimpse of a Leonid meteor flashing across the sky. And don't forget, if you can't remember everything that I've mentioned in this online version of NightWatch, you can easily go on our website and download a copy of our current November sky chart. Also on our website, you can find out more information about all of the programs here at Adventure Science Center and here at the Pseudocom Planetarium. We have shows currently between Thursdays and Mondays with extended hours on Saturdays. I want to thank you for joining us here online for this online edition of NightWatch, and we hope to see you at the Pseudocom Planetarium. Thanks for listening.